Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm David Lu, President of Huawei Asia Pacific Region, Strategy Marketing Department. Today, I would like to take this opportunity to share some thoughts on the digital world of 2025, specifically how technologies enable and accelerate industry's digital transformation and add value to society and well-being, and how we can work together for a better, more sustainable future. The fourth industry's revolution featuring intelligent technology is coming. New technologies such as AI, IoT, 5G, and biological engineering will be integrated into our society. Intelligent technology will promote sustainable development and become a new driver for economic growth. Huawei believes that we are entering an intelligent world. In the intelligent world, all things will be sensing, collected, and intelligent. First, the physical world will be sensed and mapped into digital signals. Users can get an immersive experience with contextual interactions. Second, networks will collect everything and all data will be online. Third, applications driven by big data and AI will make everything intelligent. And at the base of these three features will be ICT infrastructure. The digital economy is driving the economic growth. In next decade, digital economic growth rate could be more than 2 times that of traditional economy, and the middle income countries' digital economic growth rate are even higher. ICT infrastructure like 5G, intelligence, cloud, and IoT will drive the growth of digital economy, and by 2030, will occupy more than 40% of today's GDP. So, if developing countries want to overtake in the development of digital economy, they must accelerate their investment in digital infrastructure. In 2025, 75% product systems use containers. 75% of data will be processed at the edge, and the video data will reach 90%. The outbreak of COVID-19 greatly accelerated digital transformation. This requires enterprises to develop a cloud-based digital foundation. However, the gain from resource pooling are limited. In the future, enterprises will need to fully utilize intelligence, big data, and IoT to solve service problems, and enterprises will need to allocate resources and schedule tasks to support their business application dynamically. In addition, they need to ensure a consistent experience when hybrid cloud, public clouds, and edge clouds are all used. This will allow application to run anywhere. This cloud-native state can effectively release the benefit of cloud computing and enable enterprises to implement intelligent upgrades. To become cloud-native companies, enterprises should build their service capability in the cloud, and this is fully expected to become a significant trend for enterprise transformation. With the popularity of 5G, intelligence and cloud, data volume has increased at an astonishing speed. For example, data volume has grown 40 times when moving from 1080p to 4K or 8K videos. And that number increased another 6 times from 4K to 4K VR. As a result, Huawei GIV predicts that by 2025, the amount of global data produced annually will reach 180 zettabyte, 18 times the data generated in 2018. Data grows every day, but storage resources are limited. We need a solution to make data easier to use and achieve the best cost per bit throughout the whole data ecosystem. The processing of massive and diverse unstructured data inevitably requires diverse computing capability like CPU, GPU, and NPU. If the massive data is stored in the cloud, could be shared securely and tradable, it makes value and becomes key assets of enterprise. To strengthen global climate governance, 28 major economies, including the EU and China, have announced their carbon neutrality targets. Global climate governance is gaining traction and bring more industry opportunities and challenges. The future for global energy will be no carbon, electrical and digital. Energy is the foundation of the digital world, using technologies to efficiently convert, store, and control electric energy, and continuously improvement digitalization level is an important way to help create a no-carbon world. As developing countries, we may mistakenly think that green and carbon neutrality are far away from us. This is wrong. We need to lead the green revolution because the carbon emitting leading countries may directly constrain the developing countries to accelerate emission reduction by setting up market barriers. This is not alarmist. As a global leading ICT provider, Huawei provides innovative end-to-end solutions for data and information distribution, transmission, processing, and storage to customer groups, including carriers, governments, enterprise, and consumers. Carrier, enterprise, digital power, consumer, and cloud were Huawei's core business. Our ICT infrastructure strategy focuses on connectivity and computing. For connectivity, our goal is to build intelligent connectivity that features ubiquitous gigabit, deterministic experience, and hyper-automation. For computing, we aim to provide ubiquitous cloud services and pervasive intelligence. With our focus on ICT infrastructure based on connectivity, computing, and intelligence, we aim to develop an open ecosystem, build intelligent twins for industries, and deliver all scenarios intelligence. Every year, Huawei invests over 10% of sales revenue into R&D and delivers value to the clients, industry, and society through our innovation. As a result, Huawei ranks number 3 in the 2020 EU Industry Investment Scoreboard, a jump of 2 places compared to last year, when the company ranked number 5. This is also the key reason we have continuously achieved innovation breakthroughs in the past decades. Technologies enable and accelerate industry digital transformation and add values to society and well-being. The intelligent evolution of the core industry is facing problems, including weak underground wireless coverage, complex networks, and insufficient intelligence. China Mobile and Huawei helped Yangquan Core Industry Group complete the deployment of the country's first on-the-ground and the world's deepest on-the-ground 5G networks, at 534 meters. The development of 5G, intelligence, and cloud at the mine provides safe, efficient, and reliable mine monitoring, promotes unmanned mines, and remote O&M. The latest technology has improved the working environment with 0 accidents, safe production, and 20% of efficiency improvement. For healthcare, Huawei Smart Healthcare Solution at Sriraj, the largest hospital in Thailand, enables remote consultation, intelligent medical imaging analysis, and autonomous medical vehicles to provide more convenient patient care, reduce the workload of doctors, minimize contact, and greatly reduces the risk of cross-infection. This is the first smart hospital platform in Asia integrated with 5G, cloud edge computing, and intelligent technology. In July 2021, Huawei set up innovative lab with Sriraj Hospital to incubate new innovative medical services and applications. In Newport, Huawei China Mobile and other partners cooperate to launch smart port solutions such as 5G smart tailing, 5G remote control of gantry crane, 5G unmanned container truck. Gantry crane are the most important equipment in ports. 5G and intelligence technology have dramatically changed their operation. In the past, the driver of the gantry crane had to climb to the 20-meter high control rooms and work continuously for 8 hours. During work, operators need to bow their heads for a long time, staring at the containers under their feet, and operate with both hands. Backaches and leg pains and dizziness are common occupational diseases. Now, with the enablement of 5G and intelligence, drivers can sit in an air-conditioned office and control several cranes remotely, increasing the loading and unloading efficiency by 20%. More importantly, the working condition of drivers has improved, occupational diseases has decreased, and recruitment of drivers is easier. The culture of Malaysia draws on the varied culture of the different nations. Malaysia is known as the kingdom of spices. Hexa Food has been producing herbs, spices, and seasoning products since 2007. Their workers spend a lot of time differentiating between good and bad chilies in the past. Manual chili sorting requires workforce and time, and the different sorting standards result in inconsistent quality. In 2020, Hexa Food set up an online concept store and established an IoT team to build and train a chili identification model on Huawei Cloud. The image recognition technology of Huawei Cloud and intelligence quickly and accurately identifies the quality of chilies. Compared to the traditional way, intelligent chili sorting is 50% faster with accuracy of over 96%, allowing the team to free up manpower resources. There are 7.5 billion people around the world, but only half of them have access to digital technology. To help more people and organizations benefit from digital technology and to leave no one behind in the digital world, Huawei launched its Digital Inclusive Initiative and Action Plan, Tech for All. Over the past 2 years, we have worked with global partners such as UNESCO, NGOs, government, and rainforest collections, Together, we have made progress in 4 domains: education, environment, health, and balanced development. One of our environment protection projects, Rainforest Guardians, saves rainforests by listening. The Rainforest Guardian system includes a device that monitors and records human activity sounds like chainsaws and vehicles. Identified by intelligence, forest sounds and data are uploaded to the cloud on the smart communication networks and then sent to forest rangers via a mobile app. As a result, forest rangers receive real-time alerts of sounds and other indicators of forest destruction so that they can take action quickly. This project has been successfully deployed in the Philippines, Palawan, and in Malaysia, Seminarja National Park, which has effectively prevented the logging incidents. Moving forward, we hope to work with even more organizations to help protect our planet's biodiversity. Finally, we are working hard for a better, more sustainable future. As a part of the digital inclusive, Huawei's Zero Star solution has collected 40 million uncollected people in rural area. In addition, our mobile money solution provides convenient mobile payment services for 150 million people who have no bank accounts. Globally, Huawei launched ICT Academy covers more than 60 countries and regions. In ASEAN, Huawei Academy has already launched in Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia, and trained over 88,000 ICT talents in last 2 years. In the next 5 years, Huawei ASEAN Academy will be expanded to more countries and train more than 300,000 local talents. About the environment protect. In 2020, Huawei used more than 900 million kilowatt-hour of electricity from clean energy, representing a reduction of 4.5 billion tons in carbon emission. We not only practice green and environmental protection ourselves, but also help our customers save energy and protect the environment. Huawei combines digital and electrical technology to develop innovative digital power service to use energy as effectively as possible and minimize the carbon footprint of ICT infrastructure by leveraging clean power generation, electric transportation, and smart storage. We care about the career development of our employees and health. By 2020, Huawei spent more than 13.5 billion RMB on the employment, healthcare, and management system. With the accelerated development of digital ICT infrastructure, cybersecurity and privacy protection have become more and more important. Cybersecurity affects all of us and should not be politicized. Both trust and distrust should be based on verifiable facts and unified standards. We opened a cybersecurity transparency center in Brazil in 2019. We work with partners, customers, and other critical stakeholders through this facility to discuss and develop unified security standards and verifications mechanisms. Continue R&D investment and innovation are important reasons for Huawei's success in the past 20 years. We have focused on innovation in technology, engineering, and theoretical breakthroughs to address customers' needs and challenges, generating a great amount of business and social values. Innovation never ends. It isn't just about today, it's about lighting up the future, and we look forward to working together to unlock new value with digital innovation. Thank you for your time. Take care and stay safe.